Hey guys, my name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back. It's good to be here, guys, and vacation time or daycation time is over. It's back to the grindstone, even though I had a great time with my family. So in this video, guys, I want to show you a new centerpiece that I am in the process of making and building. So if you want to see how that goes, stick in there with me and I'll be back in 2 seconds. Alright guys, so the foundation for this centerpiece is this wire shape of a house. This goes in here, and what it is, it's a planter shaped like a little greenhouse. Well, her color scheme is brown, blue, and beige. So this will be painted. I decided to paint the house brown. The tray is going to be painted beige. I do have the spray paint for this. Then I also have to create and build this centerpiece is an example of one of my glass mosaic candle holders. Again, and this is in keeping with the color scheme, which is blue. Oh, you can't see. There we go. Blue, brown, and beige. So this is the blue, and the hydrangeas are the blue. To make those colors come together and pop a little bit, I have some gold pieces to put in. Not a lot. I don't want to overwhelm it. Don't want to take away from the blue. Just something to pull the look together. I have floral foam. Then I did a cutout. What I did was I cut the middle piece out, and I also cut out the bottom for the base so that I could slide this in like this. The glass will go in between here, the stem. And this is how I did it. So I can put it like that. And the flowers will be placed around. Hey guys, this is what the tray looks like. I just sprayed it with a gloss, a clear sealant gloss. I sprayed it also with the gloss finish so that it won't be so easy to scratch off the paint. And this is the box that I painted, spray painted beige. There. Okay, next thing I'll do, guys, is I'm going to glue down this glass. Put the E6000 around the rim. And I'm going to be generous with it. Then we'll do the hot glue. I'm putting this E6000 also on the styrofoam or this flower foam. And with this, I'm also going to use hot glue. Guess I'll put some in here too. Put some in the groove. More hot glue on the other side here. I think I want to some the pieces here, which will help with the bonding. There. Hey guys, I ran out of memory, so I put together this small slideshow to show you the end result of the centerpiece. And on the bottom, as you see, of the base, I painted a gold band. I also included 2 tea candles and 2 sets of lights to set the mood. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.